Hey guys, it's Jeff from Home Renovation, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your interior doors. First step is to remove your door. Next thing you have to do, guys, is measure your door. And this one's a 30. Standard height is 80. Now this one's been cut down from an original height. That means we need to buy a 30 by 80 to replace it, and then we're going to have to cut it down. That's okay. Hinges have changed a lot, as well as location. So since we have the door jamb already mortised for the hinge, we're going to maintain that. This one's a square, and it is a 3-inch. So what you want to do at this point is take the door upside down, set it in the hole, confirm it fits. All right. Now, this is a really tight fit. So what we want to do is make sure we have about a 1/2 inch of space at the bottom of the door. So that's why we're here, because we can measure a mark like this. There we go. That's how much we're going to cut off. Smooth out your edge. Both sides. We picked up 3-inch black hinges. These are the new smooth and silent type. Now we just chisel this out. So now once we've got it chiseled out, we're going to set the hinge in place. Make sure it's nice and flush. Fantastic. Now that we have the first one done, we're going to lift it into place. Then we'll be able to mark the exact hinge location for the bottom hinge. Set this bottom hinge in that mortise. Okay, and then we'll drive these screws home. And then we'll come back up here, hold the door in position, and then tighten these. All right, now we're halfway there. We're going to install this, and then we're going to work off the existing mortise hole for that latch to be able to set our doorknob. And to do that, all we do is close the door, and we know the exact middle of this is the middle of the door latch. Or you just eyeball the middle. There's a certain amount of variance built in, so just find the middle, mark it, and then make sure you grab one of these. Put your finger on the door, put your pencil in the middle. Use that as a guide to trace up and down. Okay? Now, with that in the middle of the door, bam, you're going to want to mark your screw holes. Here and here, okay? We're going to have 2 holes we have to drill. One is for the door handle, okay? And the other one is for the latch. I always start with the handle. The key to this is to reduce friction, reduce the heat. The way we reduce heat is to understand that these door components have adhesives in them, so you want to clean the teeth on a regular basis, all right? So, go for a little bit, clean it out. One of the things I like to do is finish the drilling from the other side. So, perfect every time. Now that that's done, we're going to switch out to the smaller hole. At this point, we can remove our guide, and to keep the bit from overheating, we can actually put in a flathead screwdriver on the bottom and push up and break out that extra wood. Okay? Break on through to the other side. By the doors. Come on. New doors don't have a mortise. And that's what this has. Okay? It also comes with a latch plate attached. And it comes with extra hardware. So what I'm going to recommend, save yourself the hassle of chiseling out another mortise. There we go. Pop that off. Now we simply line this up, flat to flat, shove it on. Boom. There we go. Now, latches, always install in the direction that it strikes the door so it can close, okay? This is going to need a bit of a love tap. All right, there we go. Now we've got our latch in. We're going to see if it catches. Good, not too much jiggling at all. We'll just turn this, open the door, pop the latch out. We're going to take the rest of the hardware off, set it on a couple of sawhorses, and give it a paint job. I recommend you paint all 6 sides, 2 coats of a latex acrylic enamel from Beauty Tone. That'll give you a really good durable finish. And once that is dried for a couple of hours, you can go ahead and install the hardware, reinstall the door, and then you're going to be good forever. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see more short videos from me right here. Cheers.